In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you permanently remove an invoice from your books. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting an invoice is permanent and removes it from your sales and accounts receivable reports. If you only need to keep the record but zero out the amount, consider voiding instead. Also, make sure you have the right permissions to manage sales transactions in your QuickBooks Online company. Let's get started. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, head to the Get Things Done area. Move your mouse over All Apps to reveal the available categories and shortcuts. This opens up a quick path to the tools you use most often without digging through multiple menus. Next, hover over Sales and Get Paid. This section groups everything related to your customer transactions. You'll see options that help you manage quotes, invoices, and payments all in one place, which is where we want to be for a deletion. Now, click Invoices. This takes you to your full list of invoices. If you have a long list, you can scan by customer name, due date, or status to make sure you're working on the exact invoice you intend to remove. Double checking here is important because once it's deleted, it's gone from standard views and reports. Once you've found the correct invoice in the list, look to the right side of that invoices row for the small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the action menu for this specific invoice. This menu is where QuickBooks keeps options like edit, send, and delete, so you can act on the invoice without opening it fully. Choose delete from the menu. QuickBooks will pause and ask you to confirm, which is a helpful safeguard to prevent accidental removal. When the confirmation prompt appears asking if you want to delete the invoice, read it carefully. If the invoice is linked to a payment, credit, or deposit, QuickBooks may alert you about any dependencies. You'll want to be sure you're okay with the impact this will have on your records. To finalize, click Delete on the confirmation. QuickBooks will remove the invoice and return you to the list. You can refresh the page or use filters to confirm it's no longer there. If you made a mistake, you can always recreate the invoice with the same details. In your audit log, it will show that a deletion occurred for transparency. That's it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.